Hello there, folks. Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate source for honest and in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we have something truly special for you. If you're in search of the best wooden cutting board, your quest ends here. We've got the Royal Craft Wood Wooden Cutting Boards, a set of 3 bamboo cutting boards that will elevate your kitchen game. Let's dive right in. First things first. Let me tell you why the Royal Craft Wood Wooden Cutting Boards are the best in the market. These boards are not just any ordinary kitchen tools. They are culinary game changers. Now, these cutting boards come in a set of 3, offering you a variety of sizes: 9 by 6 inches, 12 x 8 inches, and a generous 15 by 10 inches. This means you have the perfect board for any task, whether it's quick fruit chopping, prepping a multitude of veggies, or tackling large meat cuts or dough. One of the standout features of these cutting boards is the built-in side handles. These handles make transferring ingredients a breeze, ensuring you don't lose any precious bits on the way to your stove or serving table. They're also perfect for passing finger foods at your next dinner party. The smooth bamboo wood is incredibly gentle on your knife blades, preventing them from dulling too quickly. Plus, a special resin lacquered top coat protects the wood, preventing scarring, scratching, staining, and other signs of wear and tear. These boards are thoughtfully crafted with deep juice grooves, designed to catch liquid runoff from meat, fruits, and other ingredients. This makes cleanup a breeze, saving you from countertop messes. Now, here's the real deal: these boards are not just for chopping. You can also use them as serving trays or cheese platters. They're versatile and stylish, ideal for hosting dinner parties or family gatherings. If you're environmentally conscious, you'll be pleased to know that these cutting boards are made from 100% sustainable bamboo. So, you're not just investing in quality, you're also making an eco-friendly choice. To keep these boards in tip-top shape, hand wash them with warm soapy water after each use and towel dry immediately. Avoid soaking them in water, as bamboo is best kept out of the dishwasher. You can also use food-grade oils to maintain their finish. And here's the cherry on top: Royal Craft Wood stands behind their product with a 1-year warranty, a money-back guarantee, and 24/7 customer support. They're committed to your satisfaction. In summary, the Royal Craft Wood Wooden Cutting Boards are the epitome of quality and functionality. They're perfect for chefs of all levels, from culinary pros to everyday home cooks. So, if you're looking to upgrade your kitchen game, do yourself a favor and grab this set. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more unbiased product reviews. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Until next time, happy cooking, and remember, it's all about having the right tools in your kitchen. See you soon!